Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a platform that's become a buzzword for global teams, Remote. We're looking at their HR and payroll software to answer the big question for 2025. Is it worth it? We'll break it all down using only the official pricing page to give you the clearest overview of its pros and cons. Remote positions itself as an all-in-one solution for hiring, paying, and managing teams globally. Right away, their pricing structure reveals a key strategy. They cater to two distinct needs. For businesses that just need to compliantly hire and pay full-time employees in other countries, they offer remote employer of record services. Their global payroll plan, however, is for companies that already have their own legal entities abroad but want a unified platform to run payroll. Four main pricing tiers for remote services. The Employer of Record plan is priced at $699 per employee per month and is a comprehensive solution for hiring full-time employees internationally without a local entity, covering onboarding, local payroll, compliance, benefits, and dedicated support, including HR essentials. The Payroll plan costs $29 per employee per month and is designed for businesses with existing entities, offering a self-service platform for international payroll, compliance, benefits management, and specialist support, and it includes HR Core. For contractor management, there are two tiers, a basic plan at $29 per contractor per month, and a more advanced Contractor Management Plus plan at $99 per contractor per month, with the specifics of the Plus features not detailed in the provided text. The free contractor plan is a huge plus, but it naturally locks more advanced features behind the higher tier plans. So is Remote worth it in 2025? If you prioritize hassle-free compliance, need to hire full-time employees overseas quickly without setting up an entity, and value an integrated system, then Remote's pros in security, simplicity, and support can absolutely justify the cost. The con of the price tag diminishes if it prevents legal mishaps and administrative headaches. However, if you only work with contractors or have a very limited budget, the value proposition shifts. Bye-bye everyone, and see you later.